Hello there! My name is Les Minet, and I believe that there's never too little time to study, and last-minute studying works wonders. You just have to find the right tricks to do it well. Now, English is a very important subject, and with just 1 month left before the examinations, here are some last-minute study tips for English Paper 2. Now, I need to start to do daily Paper 2 drills in a more strategic manner. How do I do that? Firstly, attempt to do mock exam papers under timed conditions. Next, I need to take note of the time needed for each section of the paper to train time management skills for PSLE. Then, chart my results for each section of the paper to identify strengths and weaknesses. Then, consolidate all the mistakes that I have made for the revision before PSLE. And consolidate as well all the popularly tested questions in grammar and synthesis and transformation. After those consolidation, I can speak to my teachers and check the answers for the popularly tested questions to ensure that I understand the rules and the concepts. Go to writerswork.com.sg and get your WOW PSLE targeted practices so you can start your English Paper 2 revision. I know that last-minute studying can be stressful, tiring, and tedious, but these helpful tips will help me prepare for PSLE, and I hope they will help you prepare too. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and good luck on your PSLE.